Welcome back to another episode of Project PHARAOH. It's your boy Featherstone the Pharaoh, and today I'm gonna talk about why it's important to be yourself. Who is that? Wait. My eyes must be playing tricks on me. Is that? That ain't him. Man, where the hell you been? Don't worry about where I've been at. I'm here now. With all that being said, let's build. Why is it so important to be yourself? Look, man, people respect originality. You're gonna get more respect from majority of people when you are not trying to emulate somebody. You're not trying to be the next somebody. You're just trying to be the first you. Don't be one of the million. Be one in a million. Hey man, you got to stop dropping them bars like that. Look, nobody can be who you are meant to be better than you can. And for the fellas, look man, you want to impress a girl, impress her by being yourself. Because you can only keep up the facade for so long before it starts to fall apart. And then you become this whole other person like, damn, who the hell is this? Like, you don't want that, man. You want somebody to fall in love or to be attracted to who you truly are inside. Don't try to sit here and flip, like I'm gonna act like this super cool, laid back person who's just all cool, calm, and collected like Snoop Dogg, you know what I'm saying? I'm just like gonna be real chill, you know what I'm saying? Everything I say it's nice and slow. When your ass is hyped as hell, you just got a lot of energy that you talk and you speak differently, you know what I mean? People respect that, like when you are who you really are. And what happens, man, you start to just get better at who you are. You start to become better. I mean, that should be the goal. Some people get worse. I mean, some people say the same, but that's not the point, okay? The point is being yourself will take you further in life than trying to be somebody that you're not. Like, man, it took a lot of work to become who I am, like to dress the way I dress, to carry myself the way, that's all me. You know what I'm saying? I picked up things on the way through lessons, through just experience, through my whole journey of life. This is who I am. And I have people that I've met that all of a sudden like, damn bro, you wearing the same shirt that you know I wear? And you got the same shoes? Oh damn, you got the same books in your house as me? Damn, you got the same beads on your wrist as me? You got the same hat as me? You got the same cologne? Bruh. Like, let me just do me. Like damn, you got the same crystals in your pocket? You got the same stones now you carry stones. You don't even know what the stones do, the significance of each one, but now you carry stones because you see me doing it. It's like, bro, that's not cool. Like, it took a lot of work to find what I'm doing, to do what I'm doing. It took a lot of work, man. Like, and I'm all about, I respect someone who put the work in. I respect someone who is comfortable with who they are. I respect you so much, but I will not respect you completely, especially because I can see that from a mile away. I can see like what you're doing. Like, nigga, I know you. You hear me talking to women and all of a sudden I hear you talking, you saying the same things I'm saying? Like, come on, man. Damn, let me just be me. It's been a long grind. Like, I'm not perfect, but I am who I am. I own exactly that. I go out my way to be original. I go out my way to be me. You know, like I have a love for myself. A lot of work to get here. It wasn't no overnight success. And I'll be damned if somebody come into my space and then start doing things that took me so much work to do, and I see them doing a half-ass version of it, and I'm like, nah, man, nah. Losing points, bro. You losing points. Respect points. So if you somebody who's into some geeky ass shows, you know what I'm saying? You know, you like one of them hard ass dudes, you know what I'm saying? Walk Everybody like, oh, you got headphones on. Oh, you listen to some YG or some Nip right now. Your ass got anime soundtracks playing in your damn headphones. Own that. Own that. Be you. I guarantee you, there's a lot more people that's like you than you would expect. There might not be a lot of people like you, but there's a lot more than you would think. You might be like, damn, I'm the only one in here at the gym listening to that Naruto intro or outro on the treadmill with your arms like this and shit. Like, don't do that. Please don't be that guy. I'm just kidding. I'll be you, man. Be you. Be you. It's all cool. You know what I'm saying? You know, if I'm at the gym and I'm listening to Tupac and I'm working out, we at the gym, and in your headphones you listen to I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Hello Barbie, let's go Barbie. Yo, just own that. I'ma clown you afterwards, but hey man, you should be confident and content in who you are. I don't care. I'ma respect you and I'ma love you more for being that person. Like, I'ma clown your ass though, for sure. There's a difference from being inspired by somebody or that's by something that somebody does. You want to include that into your repertoire of who you are. Ooh, fire. Hey, that's bars. They got on accident. Look, anyways, there's a difference from being inspired by somebody to copying somebody. Like, because when you're a copy, you're not the original. Hey, I gotta stop doing this. I gotta stop. It's just too much. And that plays a big part on trust, because if you are lying about who you are, lying about what you're into, it's just gonna show. One, it shows weakness, and two, it shows that you can't really be trusted completely. Not saying you're just a liar, but I'm saying like you just can't be trusted completely because you're literally trying to be somebody that you're not. You're literally trying to do things that's not really who you really are. Like, people don't respect that. And people like me who can see through all that, like, I'm going to judge you. Prejudice, like, that's prejudging somebody. I try to rid myself of being prejudiced, but you can be prejudiced about anything. Prejudice just literally translates as prejudgment. So I've looked at people before. I'm not gonna lie, we're all humans. We looked at people and we prejudged them like, oh, you definitely racist just because they look a certain way. Oh, she definitely a thought. Definitely a thotty. You see that body? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, we prejudge. So I try to rid myself as much as I can, but obviously I'm a human being. I'm still young, I got a lot of mistakes to make. So when I judge you, it's because I know you. It's because I've seen you doing things that were who you really were, because consistency is always gonna prevail. So people who are themselves or who can be themselves around you, and then you see them start switching up to something totally different. Not saying you can't grow into that, because I'm not the same person that I was when I was 20, you know what I'm saying? Like, I became this person, but it's like my experience and my journey has made me become that. Now, when I see somebody and then a month later, you know, they're all burning sage and burning Palo Santo and burning incense, and it's like they've never been like that before. They're not even walking that path and haven't been walking that path to someone who knows the truth about all this stuff. Like, it's just like you can tell real and fake. Like, real recognize real, and real people realize real lies. Period. You can see through it, man. When you real and you're a thorough person, like I consider myself, like you can see through the BS easily. Look, so if you find yourself kind of falling under that umbrella of like, damn, I've been acting like this person, and I wonder why I'm not having any luck with the ladies, I'm not having any luck with the guys, or whatever the hell you into. Look, the secret to getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain said that. It's true. Like, just get started on yourself. Find out more about who you are. Start to really fall in love with you and the ideal version of you. Put like this superwoman, Superman version of yourself, like how you want to look, how you want to smell, how you want to look, like dress, where you want to be traveling, what you want to be doing with your life, and do that. Don't try to be like somebody that you not. Telling you, yo, it's gonna really save you from a lot of stress when your facade starts to fall apart. But Pharaoh, I thought you said in the last couple videos to fake it till you make it. Yeah, I did say fake it till you make it. I did say that, but that's on a whole different level of faking it. I'm saying trick yourself mentally of thinking of yourself in a higher version so you can start carrying yourself and start responding in that higher way of you thinking of yourself. I'm not saying, oh, I think I'm a millionaire and your ass go to Ruth's Chris and then drop $300 on the mill to impress this girl and you only make $700 every 2 weeks. That's completely out. Like, you gotta be smart with it. You know, with everything you do, you gotta be smart with all your moves. Play your cards right, player. Watch how many people realize that you stand out because you can't fake you. You know what I'm saying? You can just be like, you can make you look so cool that you make people want to be you. Damn, I was like, that's the two-headed sword right there. Because when you are yourself so well, that's what makes people want to be like you. Wow. Mind blown. I can most guarantee your ass that you'd rather be that person who people want to emulate than somebody who's emulating. Like I said before, don't be one of the million, be one in a million. And I think you'll be straight. But you are special. You got your own person, your own purpose. Your own purpose, your own mission in this life. You're supposed to, like, you want to be remembered as someone like Nipsey Hussle, Tupac, Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, you know, all these people who were themselves. Michael Jordan. You know, there's so many people who were themselves, the highest versions of themselves, and it was so well mastered that it influenced so many other people. You know how many people out there looking like Michael Jackson and Elvis in Vegas right now? Really over here looking like that person. Yeah, you get love, you get respect, but it's like at a certain level versus if you were who you were to the highest level. If the people in Vegas who dress like Elvis and dress like Michael Jackson put all of that energy and attention and detail and really study into themselves, yo, I'm telling you, they have somebody out there right now mimicking them. That's the power of you. We all have that power. It's up to you to unlock it. All the keys, all the tools you need to unlock that, they lie within you. They lie within your mind, they lie within your heart, and they lie within your spirit. You can unlock it. Like, you got the combination, you just gotta go find it. How you go find it? That's by taking the journey that you are supposed to take. That's by walking the path that you are supposed to walk. Like, what got me to where I'm at ain't gonna make the next person get to where I'm at just because I told them the road that I walked down. And I could detail, oh, when you get like 300 feet, it's gonna be a ditch that's gonna break your ankle if you step into it. Jump over that. I can give you all the answers, I can give you all the answers to the test, but you gotta take it. What if my number 1 is your number 16? You know what I'm saying? That's the influence. The influence is, yeah, you got the answers, but the actual copying is when you think that my number 1 answer is your number 1 answer when it's actually your number 16, and you sit there and circle A because I circled A on number 1, and now you got the answers wrong. what happens? You fail the test. What's the test? Life. Life is a test. Don't get an F on life, bro. A's and B's, you know what I mean? That's what you should be aiming for. Look, I'm the type of person, I don't care about the tree. I don't care about the fruit. I care about the seeds and the roots. I study there. I go there for the answers. Because I want to know how that seed became this beautiful tree that produced these beautiful flowers or produced these fruits or these vegetables. I want to know the soil, the environment, the weather. I study that type of stuff. So I don't got all the answers, but I got a lot more answers than a lot of people that I know because I'm actually out there looking for those type of answers. That's me. That's why I started this channel. This is why if you met me or if you kicked it with me or if you know me, like really know me, maybe not how I was before. Actually, even how I was before, I've always been my own dude, yo. That's one thing I know everybody can say about me is that I am 100% me. You know, I've just gotten older. I've just gotten more mature. I've just gotten wiser. I've just gotten smarter. You know what I'm saying? I've gotten older, you know, age just does that to you. So like, but it's still me. People will tell you like, nah, that's still Marcus. Oh, that's good. Oh, you just said your name. Hey, that's still Pharaoh. You know what I'm saying? That's still him, but it's just a different level of him. It ain't like I'm just somebody different. You know what I'm saying? It's still me. The more you know about yourself, the more you can grow about yourself. Ooh, God. Look, I'm getting out of here, okay? Look. That once again, that was an episode of Project PHARAOH. So everybody, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe in that order. PHARAOH out.